XOXO. My love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much, so much, so much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Broke it, set it, broke it, set it. But I'll be on it always, always and ever.
I know. This video is a week old, okay? This video is now a week old. As you can see, I don't got no lashes on no more. Like, this video is now a week old. You know why? Because I didn't like the intro. I didn't like the intro, and I kept forgetting that I had to make a new intro because I didn't like the old intro. And now it took me a week to do this motherfucking intro, which is really stupid. But guys, this is the video of me and my friends going to the Jamaican Parade and them acting like some fucking lit birds right after it, okay? The after party, the shaking butt, all of that. All of that is what you're about to see in the next clip, okay? But if you're new here, hi, I'm Jailah Marie, and this is my chaotic, very interesting life. And you're watching episode 1 of Ratchet Diaries, okay? So enjoy. If you don't, I don't really care if you don't, but I hope you do enjoy it because, like, who doesn't want to see some ass? Okay, bye. How we get here, though?
Yeah, I told you, once I get a whistle, it's over.
Why do you have a whistle?
I'm wildin'. Oh.
With his ass out, yes, he's wildin'. He's definitely wildin'. Oh, Zeke, you gotta stay home, baby. You gotta stay home. You gotta stay home. You know everybody. The fuck up. Well, let's walk faster. Let's walk faster. We're gonna walk faster because I don't know what that is.
I'm blowing that shit. There's no bitches around. Y'all about to embarrass me. I'm one of the oldest things. I'm not doing that.
Y'all think my homeboys are sexy? They mad ugly. What? True, but where? I'm hot. I don't like being hot, but I'm hot today, and I'm not liking it. Here, Terrence, talk to the camera.
Niggas know the fucking vibes, gang. Back on my shit, feel me? Like, with this dummy, regular shit. What other dummy at?
Wait, what you
Another dummy.
God, it's the Jamaican Parade, but all I can hear is
bounce get with the fashion. Throw back, you know that you ratchet. B&B party, you know that it's act.
yes. We made it into the supermarket. Why are we in the supermarket? I don't know.
Chicken, nigga. Come on, man.
Alright, y'all.
Store or not, I don't care. Hold on.
Okay. She's smack. You're embarrassing as fuck. Like, he's dead ass embarrassing.
Oh, man. Movie viral.
That's what, guys.
Bounce get with the fashion.
What time is it? I have a basketball game.
What am I to tell Coach? Coach, I'm Bomba. Hit it with the like that. That's how you're gonna do it. Coach, I can't get out the bed.
Coach, I'm sick.
I can't get out the bed.
It's over, man.
Yeah. Say hi to the vlog. You need to get this ready. You're embarrassing. This is embarrassing.
Oh, it does feel nice though. Oh, so I gave y'all a new idea.
You finished.
Wait,
just go ahead and take all the juice out and just put yourself inside.
Do I gotta do it like backwards?
Do you see it? Do you see it?
No, fuck you. That's what it says.
Is that right?
Suck my dick. Yes. This is her highlight of the day, mind you. Go ahead. My fault. Go ahead, Noob. Go ahead.
Chill, bud.
You just got the college, but I'm
Single as fuck. I found my bestie.
I think she's getting closer.
Oh, you're wildin'. What you talk about?
Go that way, because
This one? Oh, hell no. And we're back home. So, let me give y'all a rundown of what was going on. Because I didn't record that much. And there was reasons, okay? First off, hold on, let me get my reasonings. Oh, there was too much going on. Like, generally, every time I turned around, there was something else going on. Like, there was no time to actually pull out my camera and record. Like, we were walking places, and it was just like, what the fuck are we walking for? So, that little bit of clip that y'all got was the best thing that y'all could have got, quite frankly. So, right now I'm home. Me and my homegirl, we're about to go to her house. So then, niggas can go to this after party. I'm about to straighten my hair. My hair does look green because the heat messed up my dye. My hair's supposed to be looking like this. It has a little green. But I bought the dye. So me and my mommy are gonna fix it tomorrow. But right now, I'm just gonna straighten it. Like, my homeboys think the dye looks cool. I don't think the dye looks cool. But they said it makes me look really different. So, I'm okay. But, literally, turn this heat down like a motherfucker.
I like bad niggas, that's a fucking problem. Uptown, Magnolia, that's why they got us. I like bad niggas, that's a fucking problem.
Yes, sir. Basket with the fashion, low back. We know that you ratchet, baby. Party, you know that it's active. You know that it's G.O. Black, some tax. I've been wet. Home, I'm not function. I got on the mirror, she just my fashion. So the OC got her Ricks, we got with bitches.
Bottles lick, she on that young hoe, boss of the tape.
They got another bitch to show me how she get. They got I'm too late, I can't go up the steps. I'm up the bro, so you can.
Okay, guys, so we're working at.
Oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend.
Ew.
Stop me from cheating.
I know damn well you're not about to be.
Don't let me get caught.
Bro,
Don't let me get caught.
I don't think he wants to get caught.
Don't get caught. So listen to
He's
me.
fucking at
It's
it.
such a sticky situation. I promise my girl only look in our direction. But everywhere me turn, me
Oh my god.
That's watermelon.
So we found parking. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go. Okay. No, it's
Oh, sexy. So yeah, we're all there. She said, it's fucking hot. God, it was fucking hot. So yeah, right now, what's 12:30 here? We going to the islands all night. What's 12:30 here?